Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious fermented bean curd air fryer fish fillet recipe. I hope you will like it. The smell of bean curd is very fragrant. If you open the lid and smell it with your nose, you will smell the strong fragrance. Air-fried fish fillets are so appetizing. 3. Fish contains a variety of nutrients needed by the human body, such as omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. Omega-3 fatty acids help prevent coronary heart disease and stroke, and are beneficial to fetal growth and brain development. The fish fillets fried in the air fryer are healthy and less oily and taste great. Now let's see how to cook them. Ingredients are fish fillets and fermented bean curd. Pat dry fish fillets. Two cubes fermented bean curd and sauce. 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine. 1 teaspoon sal. 1 teaspoon ginger powder. Mix and marinate for 30 minutes. Mix fish fillet with flour after marinated. Drizzle cooking oil on fish. Line the air fryer with aluminum foil and spread cooking oil evenly. Place fish fillet into air fryer basket to air fry. Air fryer at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Flip at 10 minutes. Nice crispy fish. Flip then air fryer for another 10 minutes. Look at the fish fillet. Smells so good. Air fryer fermented bean curd fish fillet is done. This recipe is delicious. Give it a try, ya! A, D. Fish meat contains a certain amount of vitamins A, D, and E. Cod liver oil is an important source of vitamin A and vitamin D. Fish, especially seawater fish, is rich in a variety of minerals, especially selenium and zinc, as well as calcium, magnesium, iodine, etc. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. YouTube. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.